What is up, boys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to make a really quick video explaining how I've wired my Supermoto to be street legal with fully functioning lights without upgrading the stator on it. So at the heart of this entire system is a 3S LiPo battery. Now these can be bought off of Amazon or eBay for like 20 or 30 bucks. This one happens to be a 5100 milliamp. I actually just got this new one today. But you can get them anywhere from like 500 milliamps all the way up to like 15,000. You can get very, very big ones. But with this system, it's an 11.1 volt. Let's see if you can see that. It's an 11.1 volt, but when it's fully charged, it's close enough to, it's going to be 12, 13, even 14 volts. So it outputs plenty enough voltage to run this whole system. And it's wired up to an XT60 connector. And this is wired to another adapter, which then goes to my Tusk wiring kit that came with the Supermoto rear fender. And then the Polysport headlight is also wired into this system. So, well, instead of upgrading the stator, going this route, it's $20 for a battery and maybe $5 for a charger, which I've got inside. Or, I don't know, maybe they're 20 bucks. And with this type of system, so right now it's plugged in, I can turn my ignition on. And what that does is it turns on my brake light, which you might be able to see there, turning the rear brake on and off, and also my turn signal, so right turn signal, left turn signal, all of that run through the battery. And also with an LED headlight, because halogens take a lot of power, I can turn on the headlight. That's low beam, that's high beam, which honestly looks almost the same. But this is all run without an upgraded stator, as you can obviously tell because the bike is off. Unfortunately, there are some limitations to this type of system, as you've probably already figured out. Without a stator, or without an upgraded stator, I can't just hop on my bike anytime I want to ride it. If I don't have a charged battery in it, I straight up just cannot ride it because I don't have a brake light, I don't have a tail light, I don't have a headlight. Now this isn't too much of an issue for me because I don't ride this bike very often, but if this was on a bike that you rode a lot, I would probably recommend going with an upgraded stator. But seeing as I only ride this bike maybe once or twice a month, it's not a big issue. The other option is to simply just carry multiple 3S LiPos on you at one time. So you could have one charged one in the bike and maybe one or two charged ones in your backpack as well. If you guys have any questions, I'll leave some links down in the description about like what parts I bought for this bike to make this all work. So the Tusk Enduro kit, the Polysport headlight, the battery charger, and the battery. And to wire it up, it's all pretty simple, but I'll leave the links down in the description. So if you want to do this type of thing to your dirt bike, which you can really make any dirt bike street legal depending on where you live. In my case, I'm in Arizona, so this bike is fully street legal as it sits. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, smash the thumbs up button. This was just a real quick video explaining how this works. And leave any comments if you're confused about how this works, or if you have any questions, just drop a comment down below and I'll do my best to explain. And I'll see you guys in the next one.